August 1998. Gopinath Munde and Shiv Sena activists burning copies of the Sri Krishna report outside the Maharashtra Assembly. The reason?
Sri Krishna Commission एक बार हाउस ऑफ फ्लोर महाराष्ट्र असेंबली ने नकार दिया है, रिफ्यूज किया है, ये बायस है हिंदुओं के खिलाफ.
But even though the report has been labelled as inaccurate and rejected, 14 years later, the very men who have been indicted by the report uphold its veracity.
Here this man, an unrepentant Shiv Sena MP, Madhukar Sarpotdar, who was caught by the army with firearms in his jeep during the riots, and confirms it for our cameras.
There is a question of having any regrets. When I was in the jail for 3 months, this government has put me. During that time, case has been recorded against me. There is no question of having any regrets, and for no fault of mine.
The report strongly accuses Sena leaders of propounding the theory of retaliation, a theory Sarpotdar still defends.
If the Muslims are justified in taking revenge about Babri Masjid in the city of this Mumbai, then everything becomes justified only.
Ram Krishna Kenny was a Sena Shaka Pramukh in Dharavi during the riots. The report indicts him for leading a cycle rally on the 6th of December 1992. It was the first provocation that led to rioting in the area, and Kenny has no qualms confirming it for the camera.
नहीं, साइकिल रैली हम लोगों ने की थी. उसके बाद साइकिल रैली के बाद वहां हमारी पब्लिक मीटिंग होने वाली थी और रात को 8 बजे.
Ditto same in Antop Hill, when Shiv Sena men took money from Muslim homes, marked them and then attacked them at night. Amongst them was Pramod Thakur, who still defends his actions.
थप्पड़ का जवाब थप्पड़ से ही दिया है, पत्थर का जवाब पत्थर से ही दिया है. उस टाइम नहीं अपन एक कुछ करते थे ना तो हम लोग मर जाते थे, हिंदू लोग मर जाते थे, हिंदू लोग मर जाते थे.
Now here's Srikant Bapat, the then police commissioner, who was unable to control the spiraling violence, and says he had no faith in the army.
According to me, army should never be called in the area of civil authorities. They are not trained for it. The army platoons which came to us, 7 of them were gardeners and cooks.
Surely then the report is justified when it says it was Bapat who didn't use the army well.
The army could have been given an operational role which could have swiftly and decisively put an end to the communal riots.
Then again the report notes,
the enforcement of curfew turned into a farce.
Confirmed by the then Joint Commissioner R.D. Tyagi.
Most of the people who were in charge of controlling the situation in the Mumbai fashion area, senior officers, they went and deposited themselves in the office. You're talking of like ACP level officers or ACP.
During the riots,
they all have been promoted, have been honored.
Every key player in the riots confirms what the report says, upholding its veracity. The question then is, why hasn't justice been done? In Mumbai, with Toral Varia, Brooks Chatterjee.